A major breakthrough in global trade. The United States and Japan have struck a high-stakes trade deal that's being called a game changer. It avoids a potential economic shock, brings massive Japanese investment into the US, and is being seen as a political win for both President Trump and Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba. Under the agreement, the US will impose a 15% tariff on Japanese imports, down from the previously threatened 25%. It means that Japan will import goods to US at 15% tariff. That's a relief for both countries, especially Japan's cars and electronics sectors. Financial markets reacted positively, with Japanese auto stocks and tech firms surging. Analysts say this move helps stabilize global trade, at least for now. But keep in mind, 15% is still high. American shoppers could still feel the pinch, especially on the imported cars and electronics. So what's Japan giving in return? A massive $550 billion investment into the US economy. That includes funding for electric vehicle infrastructure, battery manufacturing, and semiconductor development. It's expected to create jobs and boost US industries, from clean tech to manufacturing. Experts say this deal marks a shift, where investment diplomacy is now the new trade strategy. If you want tariff relief, bring cash, tech, or strategic value to US automakers also gain a major advantage. One of the biggest hurdles to exporting cars to Japan has been strict Japanese safety standards. That changes now. Japan will accept US safety certifications, meaning companies like Ford, GM, and Tesla can expand in Japan without redesigning vehicles. The timing couldn't be better for Japan's Prime Minister. Just days ago, his ruling coalition lost its majority in the upper house. But this trade deal allows him to flip the script from political setback to diplomatic success. By shielding Japan from a 25% tariff blow, Ishiba protected key export industries and avoided a major economic shock, winning praise at home and abroad. For the rest of the world, this deal is a wake-up call. With average US tariff rates now near 20% up from just 3% a year ago, higher tariffs are the new normal. Countries like China, the European Union, and India, all in talks with Washington, may now recalibrate their strategies. Will this deal fix the US trade deficit with Japan? A pivotal question. Experts are divided on this. For now, the world watches what's next.